The front end ditches the current model's X-shaped dot matrix grille in favor of one that combines smoked mesh elements with a diffused crystal chrome finish. This not only enhances the vehicle's sense of luxury but also creates a powerful visual impact. The headlights also undergo significant changes, replacing the split design with a new, integrated design. The matrix high and low beams, combined with upward curved segmented eyebrows, resemble a pair of sharp eyes, making the front fascia more recognizable. The smoked finish extends from the lower air vents to connect to the grille. Combined with the wide lower grille and chrome front scoop, the vehicle exudes a combative aura. Viewed from the side, the floating roof, the upward curved segmented waistline, and the 18-inch multi-spoke wheels create a stylish and powerful line, creating a powerful sporty atmosphere. Its dimensions are 4,715 mm long, 1,860 mm wide, and 1,745 mm high, respectively, with a wheelbase of 2,710 mm. Positioned as a mid-size SUV, the new model offers a spacious interior. A smoked rear bumper, dual exhaust outlets, a circular spoiler, and wing-shaped brake lights further enhance the vehicle's sporty aura. Internally illuminated taillights and concealed door handles add a touch of style and technology. In addition to the existing color options, the new model is also available in a new, light cloud gray color option to meet individual customer needs. The interior evokes a futuristic cabin, with a richly layered center console design, a 15.6-inch 2.5K floating center console display, and a 10.25-inch rectangular full LCD instrument cluster, creating a rich and technologically advanced atmosphere. The interior is generously finished in leather and suede, accented by wood grain inlays, creating a soft and luxurious feel. Features such as a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, electronic gear lever, crystal clear buttons, a panoramic sunroof, and power sunshades not only enhance the interior's ease of use but also enhance the premium feel of the interior. Comfort features include automatic headlights, smart welcome lights, electrically adjustable auto-folding heated exterior mirrors, a quiet windshield, a Bluetooth key, a dashcam, a power driver's seat, a second-row seatback adjustment proportionally folding, a Sony audio system, illuminated front vanity mirrors, and dual-zone automatic climate control, ensuring a comfortable and convenient travel experience for passengers. In terms of safety configuration, the new vehicle is equipped with a Level 2 driver assistance system that includes full-speed ACC adaptive cruise control, AEB automatic emergency braking, FCW forward collision warning, and more to ensure driving safety in all respects. It offers a wide range of powertrain options. Based on the current model, it is available with 2 powertrain combinations: a 1.6T engine with 7 DCT and a 2.0T engine with 8 AT. The 1.6T engine delivers 145 kilowatts of maximum power and 290 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, this engine meets daily city and highway driving needs with linear power delivery and quick gear changes, while maintaining fuel economy of 7.1 liters. The 2.0T engine delivers 187 kilowatts, maximum power, and 390 Nm, maximum torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine delivers strong power, delivering smooth acceleration, overtaking, and maneuverability even in challenging road conditions. The chassis utilizes McPherson struts at the front and a multi-link independent suspension system at the rear, effectively filtering road bumps and providing a stable and comfortable ride.